So as we're putting together our workshop, we're building this table here. So we've been trying to figure out the best configuration to put our saws, and we're going to have a router table. So we built a French cleat system for this saw. I'm actually going to get more of a permanent, larger table saw, but for now this works. And I have to give a shout out to a guy named Ben Tardif. He's got some really good ideas. I've watched a lot of his videos on YouTube. He's got no idea who I am, but he's sort of who's inspired this for me. He had some really good ideas. And also over here on our shed, we built a shed that's going to be an office. We're also going to do a French cleat system, which is not exactly the same layout that he has, but I got the idea from him of building a shed, putting a French cleat system there to put all of my tools, everything there, and then again, same thing with this workbench. What we were going to do was we were going to take this chop saw, and we're trying to figure out a way to attach it here. So as we put this together, we were going to attach this to the side, and then we were going to put legs to support it. But I think what we can do, what I've decided I'm going to try and do with this is we are going to run 2x4s, a couple of 2x4s under this table. We're going to cut this section out right here so that this is no longer. Then we're going to take this 2x4 and run it under there so that it goes all the way to the back. And if you'll notice, this is a 2x4 and a piece of 3/4 inch plywood, which is the exact same construction as this. So when we cut this section out, it will be the same height. So we can just run the 2x under there, 2 of them. We're going to attach it. We're going to take these 2 pieces off, attach it there. So this entire thing will now be cantilevered out 27 inches. I think it'll work. I don't think Leo believes it will work. And Ian behind the camera, he says I'm full of shit. He won't say it, but his body language says it. He doesn't believe this is going to work. So we've got 27 minutes. We're going to try and put it together. Then we'll come back. We'll see if it worked. And if it does work for now, we'll also come back in a couple of days and make sure that it didn't fall down.